I'm on T183 LJ60 AUM on the 150 towards T111. So these will be withdrawn soon, as they are replaced. They are going to get replaced by Gemini 3 ex-Stagecoach London ones. To be honest, despite the ones coming in, it's good to see an ex-Stagecoach Gemini 3 in East London. As a proper, well, not as a proper Stagecoach, but an ex-Stagecoach London ones. Well, it was actually new to Plumstead ones. It was actually new to Plumstead. So yeah guys, do catch them while you still can, as they're not going to be there for too long now, since the Gemini 3s from Palmer's Green Garage are getting transferred gradually into Barking Garage.